this video, we are going to see example 3.36. There is a wooden piece of length 2 meter. A carpenter wants to cut into 2 pieces such that the first piece is 40 centimeter smaller than twice the other piece. What is the length of the smaller piece? So listen here, there is a wooden piece. So draw a wooden piece. Imagine this is a wooden piece. Okay. So of length 2 meter. So what is the length of the wooden piece? Now 2 meter. Okay. Then the carpenter cut into 2 pieces. So he is going to cut into 2 pieces like this. So this is one piece and that one is another piece. What is the length of the 2 pieces such that the first piece is 40 centimeters smaller than the twice the other piece. What is the length of the smaller piece we are going to find? So we doesn't know the length of the 2 pieces. First one we are going to assume x. So length of one piece be x now. What is the length of the other piece then? Here you have 2 meter. So the total length of the wooden piece is 2 meter. First piece I take it as x. What about the length of the second piece then? Good. 2 meter minus x. Am I right? 2 meter minus x is the length of the other piece. Okay. So that only I wrote. Let us assume that the length of the first piece be x centimeter. I am assuming that length of the first piece is x centimeter. Then the length of the second piece definitely that is 2 meter minus x. Okay, so 2 meter. Here I assume that length of the first piece in centimeter. So you have to convert this 2 meter into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to how much? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Then 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. So length of the second piece be 200 minus x centimeter. So did you clear in this step? Next, move on to next one. According to the given statement, what they given in the statement? The first piece is equal to 40 centimeters smaller than twice the other piece. Okay, so understand this sentence clearly, then only you can able to write the linear equation. First piece is, that is first piece equal to 40 less than twice the second piece. Okay, so second piece how much length? 200 minus 6. Twice means 2 times. So you have to write 2 into 200 minus 6 less than 40 less than, you know. So I have to write minus 40. Here length of the first piece is x. So x equal to 2 into 200 minus 6 minus 40. So did you understand this step? I will repeat it again. 40 less than twice the second piece. So what is the length of the second piece? 200 minus 6. Twice means 2 times. That is 2 into. So 2 into 200 minus 6 less than. Less than means subtract. Minus 40. How much is less than? 40. So write 40. So length of the first piece is x. So now we write the linear equation. Now we are going to find the x value. Okay. So listen how to find. So x equal to multiply with this 2. 2 into 200 you will get 400. 2 into x you will get 2x. Write minus 40 as it is. Okay. So next x equal to 400 minus 2x minus 40. So always variable should be in the left hand side. Already I told this, you know. So minus 2x goes to LHS now. It will become plus 2x equal to 400 minus 40. So x plus 3x now here you have 1. 1 plus 2 3. So x plus 2x you will get 3x equal to 400 minus 40 you will get 360. X equal to 360 divided by 3. So you can cancel this 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 0. So x equal to 120. So x what we assume? The length of the first piece. So the length of the first piece is 120 centimeter. So what is the length of the second piece? 200 minus 8. So we will get 80. 200 minus 120 will get 80 centimeter. What they ask? Length of the smaller piece they ask. So what is the length of the smaller piece here? 80 centimeter. So which happens to be smaller. So did you understand this sum? Next we are going to see example 3.37. Mother is 5 times as old as her daughter. After 2 years, the mother will be 4 times as old as her daughter. What are their present ages? So given mother is 5 times as old as her daughter. Suppose her daughter has 5 years, then what will be the age of mother now? 5 times, that is 5 into 5 will get 25. Okay, so after 2 years, so the present age not, after 2 years, the mother will be 4 times as old as her daughter. Now he is 5 times as, now mother is 5 times as old as her daughter. After 2 years, the mother age will be 4 times as old as her daughter. Okay. So what are their present ages? We are going to find the age of mother and her daughter. So age and percent, daughter, we are assuming daughter as X. Now the age of the daughter is X. Then what will be the age of mother? 5 times as old as her daughter, so 5x. So the age of mother now is 5x. So after 2 years now you have to add 2. So x plus 2, 5x plus 2. So here x and 5x are the age of daughter and mother. Now after 2 years their age will be x plus 2 and 5x plus 2. So do you clear up to this? Move on to the given condition. What they given? After 2 years, mother's age equal to 4 times of daughter's age. So after 2 years, what is the mother's age? 5x plus 2. So 5x plus 2 equal to 4 times. Again, after 2 years, what is the age of daughter? X plus 2. So 4 into x plus 2. Do you clear? So after 2 years, mother age is 5x plus 2. After 2 years, daughter's age is x plus 2. 4 times they given. So you have to write 4 into x plus 2. So now that linear equation is formed. We are going to simplify that. So 4 into x will get 4x. 4 2s are 8. So here 5x plus 2. Right? 5x plus 2 as it is. 5x plus 2 equal to 4x plus 8. So the always variable should be in left hand side. Plus 4x comes this side. Now I will get minus 4x equal to 8. Plus 2 goes to the RHS side. You will get minus 2. So 5x minus 4x you will get 1x equal to 8 minus 2 6. So x equal to 6. What we assumed as x? Daughter's age. Now present age of daughter. So what is the present age of daughter? 6 years. So what will be the present age of mother? 5x. So 5 into 6, 30 years. Therefore daughter's present age is 6 years. Mother's present age is 30 years. Did you understand this? So next we are going to see example 3.38. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than its numerator. If 2 is added to the numerator and 9 is added to the denominator, the fraction becomes 5 by 6. Find the original fraction. So first condition, denominator of a fraction is 3 more than its numerator. So denominator is 3 more than its numerator. So let us assume that fraction as x by y. So let the original fraction be x by y. Here they given denominator equal to 3 more than numerator. Now numerator plus 3. Okay. So then y. What is the denominator in this fraction? We assumed the fraction as x by y. What is the denominator in that fraction now? Y. Y equal to numerator is x plus 3. So now the fraction will become x divided by, instead of y, we can write x plus 3. So the original fraction will become x divided by x plus 3. Is it understood up to this? Okay. Next, if 2 is added to the numerator, for the numerator, that is x we have. So for the numerator, we are going to add 2 and 9 is added to the denominator. For the denominator, that is x plus 3. we are adding 9, then the fraction will become 5 by 6. That we get one fraction there, that is equal to 5 by 6. That only we are going to do as per the given condition if 2 is added to the numerator. So for the numerator we have x here, x plus 2 divided by 9 is added to the denominator. So x plus 3 already in the denominator, right? X plus 3 plus 9. So you will get the fraction 5 by 6. Is it clear? Now x plus 2 divided by 3 plus 9. We will get 12. So x plus 12 equal to 5 by 6. Here you have to do one thing, cross multiply. In equal to we are doing cross multiply. How to multiply these now? 6 into x plus 2. Here you have equal to, write the equal to as it is. 5 into x plus 12. 5 into x plus 12. This is the method of cross multiplying, we will say. Suppose this is like this, x plus 9 divided by 2x equal to 3 by 4. Like that. Now how to do this cross multiply? 4 into x plus 9. Here you have equal to, write the equal to 3 into 2x. Is it clear? So like that we are doing the cross multiplying here. So we will get 6 into x plus 2 equal to 5 into x plus 12. So 6 into x we will get 6x. 6 into 2 we will get 12. So we will get here 6x plus 12 equal to 5 into x 5x. 5 into 12 you will get 60. So 6x plus 12 equal to 5x plus 60. So 5x comes this side now. 6x minus 5x equal to this 12 goes to the right hand side. We will get 60 minus 12. 6x minus 5x equal to x. 60 minus 12 now we will get 48. So x value will get 48. The original fraction is x divided by x plus 3. X value is 48 divided by x, 48 plus 3. 48 plus 3 will get 51. So the original fraction is 48 divided by 51. So I think you'll understood this way problem well. If you have any doubts, you can ask your miss in the Zoom classes. Okay. Thank you, children.